I picked up this set of wire connectors off Amazon. Let's open it up and check it out. So these are the solder connectors here. They're waterproof also, so once you put the wires in there and you heat them up, they become waterproof, and you can even bend them. It says they are bendable after it's done. Now, of course, you want to use a heat gun. Don't use a lighter or anything like that because you can't control the heat that's going on it, and you just basically end up melting them. But a good heat gun is what you want to use for these. And again, it's a whole set, so you've got these different quantities of these different sizes. I'm going to be using this to put wiring together on my trailer to make sure they're waterproof and that they don't short out when I'm putting the wires together, because that's a big problem with trailers. Things move around, wires get damaged, and then they start shorting out, creating all kinds of, lighting problems on your trailer. But no, this looks like a really good set, really nice and soft. I mean, it says they're a 3-to-1 shrinkage, but I mean, you can just kind of feel how they are. They're really thick, so they're going to provide a good level of insulation. But yeah, these should melt down real nice. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with them, and I hope this review was helpful. Thank you very much. Take care.